Welcome to Episode 6, Stop Writing Prompts in Line. Wrap them as functions, parameterize them, and version them like any other code in your repo. Wrap every prompt as a function with type parameters. Variables go where they belong, in the template. The rest of the prompt stays constant. Now, changing a prompt is a code review with diffs and tests. 4 reasons templates beat inline prompts. They diff cleanly in Git, they are testable as pure functions, they are reusable across endpoints, and their signature documents what each prompt expects. For longer prompts, move them out to template files. Jinja or any template engine works. Now the prompt lives in version control next to your code. Designers can edit it without touching Python. Linters and prompt eval tools can pick it up. If it is important enough to ship, it is important enough to version. Prompts are no exception. Next episode, grounding, the technique that turns a confidently wrong model into one that says, "I don't know."